thank you guys very much for coming out. Sammy Cruz here along with Chelsea, Ricky Bobby from the WRK Morning Show, and Gabe.
The guy who's making us feel really uncomfortable with his camera.
The camera in your face is not very comfortable.
Are you guys still ready to party?
That's where we're gonna go.
Oh yeah, Brother Jimmy!
Yeah, that's where the after party is, folks. We're heading up there in just a little bit. Love to see you guys over there. And thanks again to City Place for letting us come out here and invade and have fun with Kelsey.
Also, thanks to Bud Light for putting this on too. That was awesome.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. Join us at Brother Jimmy's and make sure you tune in tomorrow morning for your chance to win Darius Rucker seat tickets. Good night, everybody!
Oh, Disney tickets tomorrow too. We still got Disney tickets.
She said good night. We did.
Oh, I apologize. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Stop.
I apologize.
We don't give him the mic enough, apparently.
That's the reason why.
Stop talking.